Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, a GA4 property ID and Shopify admin access. Once confirmed, duplicate your live theme to avoid risk and open online store themes. Next, navigate to Actions Edit Code and locate the theme. Liquid or header file. You're about to paste a small script. Make sure you've copied the GA4 measurement ID exactly. This first step prepares Shopify so the tag can fire globally across all pages and prevents accidental downtime. Now add the analytics script. Find the closing head tag and theme. Liquid and paste the GA4G tag, JS snippet above it. Replace the placeholder with your G measurement ID. This ensures analytics loads early on each page. Once inserted, initialize G tag with configuration command so events and page views register. Save changes, then publish the duplicated theme if you tested there. Make sure to clear any caching or app-injected tags that could conflict, because duplicate tags inflate page view counts. Finish by validating data flow. Open Google Analytics Debug View and Shopify Storefront in an incognito window to trigger events. You should see page view events quickly. If nothing appears, make sure you didn't accidentally add multiple GA scripts or paste outside the head. Once done, monitor real-time reports for a few hours. If you encounter broken layouts or errors, revert to your theme backup and reapply the snippet carefully. This single rollback step resolves most implementation mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.